Hello everyone! Welcome back to my construction vlog channel. Today, I'll continue sharing the progress of the house you've been following. This is the overall 3D perspective of the house. From here, we can visualize the entire space, from floor layout, number of stories, to the external architectural form. In the previous episode, we witnessed the formwork installation for the second floor roof. A process both tense and exciting. Looking back, it's still thrilling. Today, we'll continue with this stage. Looking from above, the cross braces across the roof have been firmly fastened. With everything this straight and solid, there's no need to worry about shaking when pouring concrete. Look! The workers are starting their tasks. Some are reinforcing the braces, while others are carrying formwork panels, thin rectangular boards placed on top of the roof bracing system. These panels will form the flat surface that holds the concrete when it's poured. Down below, two workers are working together. One hooks the formwork panels onto a rope, while the other operates the hoist to lift them up to the roof. This is a safe and labor-saving way to move materials to higher levels. As you can see, just hook it properly, lock it tight, and let the machine lift slowly. The panels are up in no time. At this moment, the supervisor is directing the workers to place the formwork panels as accurately as possible. With such careful supervision, the workers feel more confident. Everything gets done both faster and sturdier. As you can see, the upper part of the roof still has many gaps without formwork panels. Meanwhile, panels are being lifted continuously from below to keep up with the schedule. The work flows steadily, like an endless assembly line. Over here, another worker is cutting a wooden board to fit the size of a spot that needs roof breaking. The panels don't always fit perfectly, so measurements and adjustments often need to be made directly on site. It seems like a small step, but it's important. Just a small gap could cause the concrete to leak when poured.